Good morning, grade 7. Let's see question 3 from problem set 40 from topic 10. Now it is related to simple interest. Let me read the question for you first. So the question says that Shrikant deposited 85,000 rupees for 2.5 years at 7 PCPA in a saving bank account. What is the total interest he received at the end of the period? Now let's write what is given. Principal amount is 85,000. Now time is always in years. 2.5 is nothing but 2.5 years. This will be easy for calculation. So whenever it is 2.5, you write 2.5. Rate is 7 per capita per annum. And interest we have to find out. We have interest formula, simple interest. It is principal into rate into time upon 100. So substitute the values. 85,000 into 7 into 2.5 upon 100. Now after 0.1 number is there, so this 0 will go and we have 8500 into 7 into this point will go, so it will be 25. Have you understood what I have done? Okay, this is as good as 8500 into 10. And that 10 I have adjusted over for to get over or get rid with this point. Alright. Upon 100. Now these two zeros and these two zeros are gone. We are left with 85 into 7 into 25. 85 into 7 is 595. Into 25 if you do, you get 14,875. That is your total interest. So interest we have got. Your total interest is equal to 14,875 rupees. Is this clear? Okay, so here important thing is 2.5 is taken as 2.5, which will be easy for you to do the calculations. Okay. Now let's go for the next problem. Now look at fourth question. It is little tricky. At a certain rate of interest, that means rate is not given, so I have written rate as x. At a certain rate of interest, the interest after 4 years, time is 4 years, on 5,000 rupees principal is 5,000 rupees, is 1200 rupees. So interest is 1200 rupees with these conditions. So first we have to find rate and use this rate over here to again find the interest. See the second part of the question. What would be the interest? What would be the interest on 15,000 rupees at the same rate of interest for the same period? So with the same rate and with the same period, what will be the interest? So first, with the help of this information, first we'll have to find rate. And then use this rate over here to find interest if principal is 15,000 rupees. Okay, so let's do that. So we have first I is equal to P into R into T upon 100, which is equal to, okay, let us substitute and find out. Interest is given as 1200. So I am making two parts. First we'll solve this. So you have 1200 is equal to, how much is principal? 5,000 into, how much is rate? X. We have to find out. Or you can keep it as R also. T is 4 years upon, you have 100. These two zeros gone. Okay. So 1200 is equal to 5 into 4 is 20. 5 4s are 20 and this one more 0 into x. So what will be x? X will be equal to 1200 upon 200. 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 2 ones are 2 6s. So first we got rate as 6 PCPA. Okay. Now you are going to use same rate in the next condition. In this condition now, what will be your rate? We have got rate as x. Now we have to find interest. I is equal to P into R into T upon 100. So what is principal now? Principal is 15,000. Alright. Rate is now 6. same period. So same 4 years upon 100. 2 zeros, 2 zeros. Alright. So we have 15 fours are 60. This 0 as it is into 6. 6 6 are 36. So you have 3600 as your rate of interest. Is this clear? Okay. So you have rupees. So interest is equal to, you can write here, interest is equal to rupees 3600. I hope it is clear. You understood what we have done? Okay. Fine. Please pause the video and take down all the steps.